Look at this big pine stump we got right here. Show y'all a little more in depth what that thing looks like. It's massive. In the middle section, I don't know, 30, a little over 30 inches. Clean, and it goes to all these big giant roots down at the bottom. If y'all would like to see this cut, comment below. And if enough of y'all want to do it, we'll put this thing on the mill. Might be a little character where all these roots run together in the middle, and it may be a nightmare. Comment below and we'll see what we can do with it.